Welcome to 3 Shootley. We are in a beautiful little cul-de-sac. These houses just don't come up very often at all. Walking distance of Wellington School and all the town's amenities. I love a 1930s style home, and this really has got a great flow of accommodation with 4 bedrooms. Let's take a look around inside. Over time, the owners have adapted and improved the property so that actually now we've got a choice of 4 different reception rooms. So really flexible in terms of the living space. And so many rooms orientate out onto the south-facing gardens, views up to the Blackdown Hills. It's just a lovely place to spend time regardless of the seasons. You will not be disappointed with the gardens here. It's a super plot. I mean, we have a wide property, so you've got width and you've got depth. But what's so lovely is the orientation. We are south to the Blackdown Hills. I can see in the distance. But the owners have just spent an immense amount of time in landscaping the garden. It's a real passion of theirs. And I think you can see it's just a delight to sit out and enjoy. Yeah, I think this is a perfect place to call home.